In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the tone curve in Lightroom Classic. This tool is a powerful way to fine-tune your images and create stunning, professional quality photos. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can harness this feature to enhance your photos. To begin, make sure you're in the Develop module, which is where all the magic happens. Now, look over to the right-hand side of your screen and scroll down until you spot the Tone Curve panel. Go ahead and expand this panel to reveal the graph and the options for parametric and point curves. Familiarizing yourself with this layout will set the stage for understanding how to effectively adjust your images. We'll start with the parametric curve, which is perfect for those just beginning to explore this feature. Make sure the parametric icon is selected to engage this tool. Once you have this option active, you'll see a series of sliders beneath the curve. These sliders allow you to make precise adjustments to different tonal regions of your image. First up is the highlight slider, which affects the brightest parts of your image. Moving this slider will enhance details in the lighter areas, potentially bringing out more detail in overexposed regions. Next, you'll find the Lights slider, which targets the lighter midtones. This can be particularly useful for increasing the brilliance of your image without impacting the extreme highlights or shadows too heavily. As you continue, you'll notice the Dark slider. Adjusting this can alter the darker midtones, granting you the ability to enrich shadows and lend a sense of depth to your photos. Finally, there's the Shadow slider. This specific slider offers control over the darkest parts of your image, helping to add or reduce detail and texture in the shadowed areas. To illustrate, if you'd like to increase the overall contrast of your image, you might try raising the Light slider a bit and lowering the Dark slider slightly. This combination can introduce a more dynamic look to your photo by making the bright areas pop and the darker tones pull back. An added feature of the parametric curve is the triangles located under the curve. These triangles can be moved to define the range of each tonal region affected by your adjustments. Experiment by dragging these to better match the specific lighting and details of your image, allowing for even more customized enhancements. The key to mastering the tone curve is practice and experimentation. Don't be afraid to make adjustments and see how they impact your photos. Over time, you'll develop a keen eye for how these changes can transform your images from ordinary to extraordinary. Happy editing, and enjoy unlocking the potential of your photography.